Hi all, my name is Oscar Alvarado. This is my unusual situation. 10 ago, while I worked lots my personal documents, I missed in the until the night. After I have eaten, I started the church in the house with accommodate, but not the what's right is the next day when was the church in the place where I had worked, but I didn't found the thing. After I sure I get the thing of far louds. I continue quite the activities. What I had secured later of some days. We finished with the jobs so prepared for return back with the information. What to pick up when I organized the bath. Appear what I had lost. My personal documents. All it for I Joe found a coworker. Thank you. This is all. Espero les haya gustado.